Okay, so I haven't done unboxing vid for a while. Been out for a cycle this morning, did about 20 miles, intervals, hill climb work and stuff like that. So it's got a box of goodies. Let's see what we've got. We have a base layer, lightweight warmth for cold weather, multi-sport base layer, Leafer. Helly Hansen, I think it is. Let me say it, but so I've got one of them, base layer. Was 30 quid, got it for 15. So that's good. And a 4i power meter, precision power meter. This is going to go on my Giant TCR, probably for the spring, summer, maybe if the days are good. I'm using my Giant AnyRoad at the moment, but yeah, looks good. I've got a Stages power meter. I just thought I'd try a different brand just to see how it goes. I mean, the Stages is a great power meter. I recommend getting a power meter for a start because you can see what you're doing. It's like if you haven't got a power meter on your bike, it's like going to the gym and lifting weights and you don't know exactly how much they weigh. So when you're riding, you can see how much wattage you're putting out. If you're going out on an easy day, you can go really easy. If you want to hit a certain wattage, if you want to hit get some fitness gains, you can aim for certain wattages and keep that wattage. And these power meters, they give you a good idea on what you're pushing out. So this is going to go on my Giant TCR. Looking forward to it. Pretty lightweight actually. So you've got that little battery you have to measure. Crank length, mine is 170 crank length. Yeah, looks pretty good. Let's just get that out of there. Yes. Actually, it's weird because it says grey, but it's a pretty good match. When it said grey, I thought it meant like, that silvery grey, like the silver grey cranks that you get, but it's nice. It's going to match perfectly. Ultegra to match the Ultegra crank. You got the little battery. You have to be really careful with these really delicate. That should come off. Put the battery in there. Put it back on. As long as you don't saturate these things, they work pretty well. I mean, my Stages power meter, that has got absolutely soaked, and I've just taken the battery out, let it dry out, then wake the battery back in, and it works fine. I've never had a problem with the Stages, but it's just I wanted just to try a different type of power meter, so I was lucky and got this 4i. not sure I'm going to get that off. I'm going to get that off. Helly Hansen. Helly Hansen. Helly Hansen. I'm not sure I'm going to get that off.